back. So today is the first box for July. I can't believe it's July. And it is the Witch's Roots. Now, the Witch's Roots is the cheapest of the 3 tiers by the Witch's Moon. They do Witch's Root, which is $30 every month, and then the Witch's Moon, which is $50 every month, and then the Witch's Bounty. And each one has different items that you can get. The Witch's Roots comes with incense stone, a talisman artwork, and an herb, which is why I took it, and a candle. So, without further ado, let's open this month's box. I don't remember what the theme is this month, but it will be in the description. This is what it looks like when you open it. It tells you everything that you get. So the first item in here is the Seal of Solomon, and it looks like it's like a ritual guide, and then the little actual emblem that you can cut out and use. And then, ooh, there is a big thing on the Triquetra, which is one of my most favorite things. A lot of information on here, life cycles, the cosmic tree, so all of that's really nice. And then the herb is lemongrass, and you get one of these that's an art piece that you can frame. I'm gonna have all these framed eventually, and they're gonna be all over the place. I'm gonna love it. So let's see what's in our box. My dog is scratching himself. Stop it! Hey! And he keeps hitting where my camera's sitting. So if it jiggles down here where my hands are, that's what that's from. So in here, let's pull this out. So inside here we have the herb, which is our lemongrass herb. So that's nice. And then we have, so we get 3, 6, 8 sticks. And our little information, ooh, those smell really nice, will tell us what kind of sticks they are. I do keep all of the twine as well. I think that's really neat. Open doors is what it says at the top. That's the paperwork that you get, and it says that the incense sticks are lemongrass. So I love that. We also have a Palo Santo stick, which is right here. They smell really nice. You can burn them or put them in your drawers or whatever you wanted to do with them to keep things fresh and smelling oh so greatly. Ooh, I got a dropper to go with the oil, and it is glass, and the oil says air. Let's see what kind of oil it says it is. It's not R, it's in. Aaron, We'll put it down here. And they do have herbs in them. You can't really see the herbs on camera very well. You might be able to see it in this one. You can see little herbs in there. This is a ritual body oil. And let's see if it says what it has. It has herbs, lemongrass, herb, and bergamot oils. Lemon, grapefruit, lemongrass. Oh, that smells so good. And then the droppers for this, you can put this in here instead of the lid. Lid off. And you can see it's just nice little pieces of oil. Oh, that smells divine. I'm notorious for sticking my body oils. And you get them in almost every box. So, like, for instance, Here, we pull these up. You can see how many oils I have gotten over the years, over the months. But you get a smell good oil in almost every box, so it's nice. I love these. And I don't go through them really fast. Some of them you get droppers, some of them you get sprayers. Some, I think one of mine was a room mist. That's nice. And then I have the candle, the ritual candles right here, and it's yellow beeswax candle. It's really nice. They really don't smell or anything, but they are nice to have on hand. I do like that they are colored candles and not like color-coded candles. Okay, so going into the first pouch kit, I have a beautiful, oh, I know what stone this is. It is a, I'm going to mess this up, and everybody's going to laugh at me. Rutleted quartz, but you can tell that it's got a gold flecks inside this quartz, and it looks like strands of gold of some kind in it. So that's really pretty stone. And I think I have one of these, but I'm not sure. And the other pouch is your talisman. You're gonna love this. Oh, I love it. It is a triquatra. I know that I'm not going to show this justice, but it's a triquatra wind chime. So pretty. And it ships pretty fast. It bills me at the end of the month, and then I get it. And I had this at least already a day. I had to take the outer package off because it comes in a, in case you didn't know, it comes in a gray bag with your shipping label on it. So the actual box itself, like, it doesn't say what it is when it's being delivered. It's kind of discreetly delivered. I don't know if all of them are, but I do know this one is. And that is the box. And the box is, like I said, 30, I think I paid about 31 and change. And it comes every month. I do absolutely love everything in this box. I've gotten so many fantastic things. I've gotten incense burner. I've gotten my incense burner right here. I got from them. I've gotten little boxes. I've gotten a jewelry box. So I have enjoyed getting little items as well. But that is all for this unboxing. And if you enjoy it, just make sure you like it or leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe. I try to do them as often as I can. I am an essential worker, so it's very difficult to keep filming all the time. But I'm hoping that it will get easier as time progresses. Maybe this winter will be really great. I don't know. But that is all for this box, and I'll see you in the next video. I heart your face. Bye. Take care, everybody.